Welcome to our tutorials again. Today we're going to be teaching las alazanas. The first step for las alazanas is a step called el caballito. We start with 2 caballitos, 3 taps, 2 caballitos, 3 taps. That's the basic version. The other version that you can practice is when we rotate caballitos. So you go pam, 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 pam. And then when you get better at it, you can add a different type of caballito, the full turn. For that, I would recommend to squat a little bit for stability and just rotate your body once you are comfortable with the step. Did you like it? It's all a matter of repetition. First you start slow, and then you add speed, and then you add rotation, and then you add full turn. And now, the second step for las alazanas is called el borracho. So for that, you count to 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, from behind. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, with pateo. With trago. I'm showing you slow so that you can get familiar first, because familiarity is going to be key, and to get that, there's only one way about it, and that is what? Yes, practice, 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 repeat, repeat, repeat. The next step in las alazanas will be the cross. It's not really a step, it's just balseado hacia adelante in the shape of a cross, front, back, and horizontally. So we go 1, 2, 1, 2. Notice the heel. The heel is being lifted, making these noises. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And then you rotate the step, rotate the step, rotate the step, rotate the step, looking at the audience, looking at the audience, switching already to the other side, switch already, and that's it. Again, practice, practice, practice. So now we're gonna go into the next step, which is called guachapeado de lado. That's a little bit more complex. We're gonna have to break it down in 2 parts. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8 with a transition. So what I mean by that is 1, 2, 3, 4. It's going to be a flat, kick, toe, flat. And repeat that with me. Flat, kick, toe, flat. And flat, kick, toe, flat. And flat, kick, toe, flat. 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 When this is comfortable, it will go faster and faster and faster. Or with faldero. And we're gonna add the 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7 is gonna require to put your weight on that leg, the left one, and go 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7. The 7, notice, is like a lift of the heel. So 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7. Or kick, toe, heel. Kick, toe, heel. Kick, toe, heel. Kick, toe, heel. And when you're comfortable with that, you're gonna add them together. So now you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, flat, flat, to go to the other side. But let's practice a little bit of this first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In the transition or connection to the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Transition. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And those are flat, flats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Flat, flat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Flat, flat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Flat, flat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Flat, flat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Flat, flat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Flat, flat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Flat, flat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Flat, flat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Flat, flat. Now the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Or flat, kick, toe, flat. 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 Now we'll add the 5, 6, 7. Again, weight on the back leg. 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7. The 7 being the lift of the heel. Okay, you have to do that one. So weight on that leg. 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7. Or kick, toe, heel. Kick, toe, heel. Kick, toe, heel. And when I put them together, it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. With faldeo, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we connect both sides. And we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Flat, flat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Flat, flat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Flat, flat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Flat, flat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Flat, flat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Flat, flat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Flat, flat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Flat, flat. Notice the bending. That happens usually after you have become familiar. So in order to approach the step is first the step work. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, flat, flat. Once we're comfortable with that equation, then we start adding speed. Once we get comfortable with the speed, then we start adding the movements of faldeo. Or if it throws you off a little bit still, Then you start adding the elements of posture. Once the posture is comfortable, then you can add faldeo. So practice, practice, practice. So we're almost done with the song. This song is created for beginners. So we wanted like the easiest steps out of Jalisco region so that everybody can start dancing. It's gonna be turns. So 4 turns this way, 4 turns this way, 4 turns this way, 4 turns this way. So 4, 4, 4 y 4. Memorize that. Preparación. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Pam pam. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Pam pam. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Pam pam. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Pam pam. If we do it a little bit slower, it's going to be 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Pam pam. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Pam pam. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Pam pam. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Pam pam. Little things to add to it will be the styling. Start feeling the song and just do the preparaciones like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, pam pam. When you do the pam pam, you can go pam pam. And 1, 2, 3, 4, pam pam. Or little things that you can come up with depending on how you feel. But congratulations, you got the steps. Those are the steps for las Alazanas. Very, very simple dance for our beginners. Thank you so much. Mwah. See you in the studio. And that's it. You're dancing already.